Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix PowerPoint not responding on Windows 10, PowerPoint not working in Windows 10. First, what we're going to do is to search for PowerPnt.exe. This fast match should come up, and what we're going to do is to right-click on it and click on Run as Administrator. You will be asked to say yes, and it will open the PowerPoint app for you and see if that works for you or not. If that does not work, the second way is we are going to search for Windows Update, and Windows Update settings should show up, so click on it. And now you're going to check for updates and install the necessary updates because it can help on running your PowerPoint app more smoothly. And after you have installed it, restart your computer and try to open the PowerPoint app again. If that still does not work, the next way is to do a right click on the start icon and click on Run. Now what we're going to type in here is appwiz.cpl. So you just type that in, and once you have done that, click on OK, and Programs and Features should open up. So this is the window, and we are going to look for Microsoft PowerPoint. And once you have seen it, as for me, I have the 365 apps for Enterprise, so I can't see the Microsoft PowerPoint by itself, but you should be able to see it on your list right here. So just search for it, and once you have seen it, select it and right click on it and click on Change, or it might say Modify. Be asked to say yes, and this window will pop up, and what we're going to select from here is Quick Repair. And once you have selected that, click on Repair right here, and it might take some minutes, so you just have to wait for it. And once it is done, restart your computer and see if your PowerPoint is opening smoothly again. That is how you can basically fix PowerPoint not responding or not working in Windows 10. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.